Hey buddy, welcome to Wizert.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given an expression and we have to remove any signs of groupings and collect similar terms. So the best way to solve this type of questions is to proceed with from the innermost bracket. So the expression given to us is 2y minus of 5 plus 3 minus of 2 multiplied by y minus 2. Okay, so the innermost bracket is y minus 2, so 2y minus of 5 plus 3 minus of 2y minus of 2 multiplied by minus of 2 will be plus 4. Now we are going to solve this bracket. So 2y minus of 5 plus 4 plus 3 will be 7, and then we have minus of 2y. So 2y minus of 5 plus 7 will be minus of 12, and minus of minus 2y will be plus 2y. So 4y minus 12 will be our required final answer. Therefore option A will be the correct answer. Thank you.